Fairfield Lane, an amazing ranch style home, 7-bedroom, about 7,000 square feet, 3,500 at the top, 3,500 on the bottom. They put in over $1 million worth of upgrades into this house, so let's go inside and see what they did. All right, so like I said, this is one of my absolute favorite layouts. It's a ranch style home, 7 bedrooms in this thing, which is an incredible amount of bedrooms. 3,500 square feet up here, and then another 3,500 downstairs. Almost situated the same, but if we're standing here right in this living room, you have access to just about everything. $3,500 square feet provides a lot of different options in houses like this. So they have it set up as a secondary dining area or living room. Your mind could just go crazy in here. Pool table, foosball table, could be a family area, but it provides a lot of different options in a house like this. So you got that primary over on that side, secondary on this side. That could be just about anything your mind can imagine. Come on in and check this out. This is one of my favorite books. Well, how cool is this, man? A fully functioning ladder, just like the old school days. Back in the old school libraries, this ladder goes all the way around this entire room. And then this kitchen is an absolute chef's dream. And we got dual ovens here, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and one of my absolute favorite things and a must in a luxury home, soft close cabinets. So the owners took a lot of pride in this house. There's over $1 million worth of upgrades in this house, right? So this room particularly had a lot of stuff done to it. I'll show you the bathroom, which is amazing. And it doesn't get any grander than this. We got 2 sinks, quartz countertops, a soaker tub, and of course heated floors that lead right into another walk-in closet. So like I said, we got 3,500 square feet up top and 3,500 square feet downstairs. They redid all that too with a whole lot of thought behind it, man. Let's go down and check it out. Probably one of my favorite rooms in the entire house. It's got a humongous short throw movie projector screen here. And as most of you guys know, I love the gym. This thing's got a built-in gym. And then one of my favorite things, a gun safe for all you hunters out there. What's really unique and cool about this house is you have that ranch style upstairs, fully functioning upstairs, and then they built downstairs to be fully functioning as well. So you can literally house hack this house. So it's got a full-on kitchen, primary suite, primary bath. So again, you could house hack and literally rent this bottom part out, live up top, rent out the bottom. This is one of my absolute favorite rooms too. So built-in, custom built. Bunk beds for our little ones, your grandchildren, your children, all the little kids come in here, man. This is absolutely amazing. So the owners were very meticulous in how they laid out this backyard too. 100% redo on it. It's got a motorized overhang, access through that gate to get downstairs. So that's where if you were house hacking or whatever, people could come and go from there. And then if you stop and listen, you won't hear anything, which is an amazing thing to be in a backyard built like this. No noises, no traffic, no nothing. Just surrounded by beautiful trees, mountain views, serene environment, man. It's absolutely amazing out here. Hey, so if the Broadmoor is the area you want to live in, a ranch style home is the home you need, and you need 7 bedrooms and about 7,000 square feet, then this might be the house for you. 250 Mayfield Lane, right here in the Broadmoor. Every home has a story to tell. Let me tell and sell yours today.